Okay, Assalamualaikum. I am Shamesh.
My name is Yong Yang.
My name is Ishraf.
Hi, and my name is Nur Fatiha binti Misran.
Today I'm going to talk about Windows and customization and system protection for part A. Question B. So, for this one, personalization and themes. So, explain the process of changing personalization settings and applying themes in Windows. So, first, you need to right click at desktop and click personalize. Then, like this, you can find it in on settings, and then discuss the impact of personalization on the user experience. So for the impact, personalized settings like themes, wallpapers, and layouts makes the environment feel more comfortable and familiar, increasing overall satisfaction. Then setting up computer's name. For this one, the question asks for describe how to change the computer's name in Windows. So first you need to click Start button and find Settings. And lastly, click Rename, like this one. And then the next questions explain the significance of unique computer name in network environment. So a unique computer name is essential for efficient network operations, security, management, and user experience. So for number 3, configuring the start menu and jump place. So for this question, the question asks for explain the role of start menu and jump place in Windows. So for central access point, the start menu serves as a primary hub for accessing application settings and files. Users can quickly find and launch programs without navigating through folders. And then customization. Users can very frequently use application and folders to start menu for easy access. This personalization allows individuals to tailor the menu to their workflow. Search functionality. Search functionality. So the start menu includes a search bar, enabling users to quickly find apps, settings, or files by typing keywords, streamlining the overall experience. So the next one is Lifestyles. In some version of Windows, Lifestyle provide real-time information like weather update or news directly from the start menu, enhancing engagement. And then access to settings. The start menu provides direct links to system settings and control panels, making it easier for users to adjust configuration without digging through multiple layers. And then the next patient demonstrate how to customize the start menu and jump list for better accessibility. So for this one, it's so easy. You need to click start button or start menu and then right click and then click start and setting like this one. There. You can find this and then to edges. So the question asks for describe the process of creating system protection for partition and drive. So step 1, open system properties. So number 1, access control panel. So first press Windows plus R to open the drive dialog. Tap Control and press Enter. So alternatively, you can search for control panel and start menu. Then number 2, system and security. Click on system and security, then select system. So number 3, system protection. In the left sidebar, click on system protection. This open the system properties window. Focus on the system protection tab. And then step 2, configure system protections. Number 1, select drive. In the system properties window, you'll see a list of available drives. Select the drive or partition for which you want to enable system protection, usually the C drive. And then number 2, configure protection. Click the configure button and then in the new window, select restore system settings and previous versions files to enable system protections. And then number 3, adjust the disk space usage. Use the slider to set the amount of disk space you want to allocate for restore points. More space allows to more restore points but reduce available storage. And then number 4, Enable protections. Select Enable System Protection option, then click OK to save your settings. Step 3. Create restore points. Manual restore points. Number 1. In the System Protection tab, click the Create button and the description for the restore point. And then for number 2, automatic restore points. Windows automatically creates restore points at regular intervals and before significant system events like software installation or updates, as long as system protection is enabled. Then, step 4. Managing restore points. Number 1. View existing restore point. In the System Protection tab, click System Restore to see available restore points. Follow the prompts to restore your system to previous state if needed. And then number 2. Delete restore points. You can manage the existing restore points by selecting the drive, clicking Configure, and then choosing Delete to remove all existing restore points. And then number 5. Step 5. Monitor and maintain. Regularly check and ensure that system protections is enabled on computer drive. Periodically create manual restore points, especially before making system changes to your system. So number 1, recovery from system failure. Restore points. System protection allows user to create restore points which capture the state of the system at a specific time. If failure occurs, like software crash or corrupted files, user can revert to a previous state, minimizing downtime and data loss. Number 2, protection against accidental deletion. Reverting change. User may accidentally delete important files or make change that negatively impact the system. With system protections, they can easily restore their system to a state before the accidental action. Number 3, malware and ransomware defense. Mitigation. If a system is compromised by malware or ransomware, system protection can help restore the system to clean state before the infection. This can be essential in recovering from attacks that encrypt or delete files. So number 4, software installation and updates. Safety setting. When installing new software or updates, system protection allows users to create restore point beforehand. If the new software causes issues, they can roll back to a stable configuration without losing data. Number 5, user-friendly recovery process. Simplified restoration. The process of restoring a system to a previous state is generally straightforward and does not require advanced technical knowledge, making it accessible for all users. Number 6, increase user confidence. Peace of mind knowing that system protection is in place helps users feel more secure and experimenting with their system, knowing they can easily revert changes if something goes wrong. Self-saving. The last one. Data integration. Consistent backups. System protection contributes to maintaining the integrity of data by ensuring that users have fallback option in case of corruption or loss. So that's for part A.
And I will start with part B, virtual memory and control panel. So the first question is creating virtual memory in Windows. Explain the concept of the virtual memory and its benefits. Demonstrate how to create and manage virtual memory in Windows. So what is virtual memory? Virtual memory is a memory management technique that extends the physical RAM of a computer by using portion of hard drive or SSD to store additional data. When system RAM is fully utilized, the operating system moves inactive or less used data from RAM to a reserved space on the disk called paging file or swap file. This process allows programs to run smoothly even if the physical RAM is limited, making it possible to work with large applications of files without experiencing significant slowdowns. Benefits of the here is some benefits of the virtual memory. First, increase system capacity. Virtual memories extend the usable memories beyond the physical limitation of RAM, allowing for multitasking and handling of large applications. Second, improve system performance by moving inactive data to the disk. More RAM is available for the active application, improving performance. And the third is reduce risk of crashing. Virtual memory helps prevent the system from running out of memory, which can lead to the applications crash or system instability. Cost-effective solutions rather than requiring additional physical RAM. Virtual memories makes it possible to optimize memory usage with existing hardware. So the second one is demonstrate how to create and manage virtual memory in Windows. And so first we need to accessing virtual memory system, open control panel and navigate to system and security to system. Select advanced system setting on the left side of the Windows. Under the advanced tab, click on setting in the performance section. In the performance section, Windows select advanced tab, then click change under virtual memory. Second step is configuring virtual memory. In the virtual memory window, uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives to customize the setting manually. Select the drive where you want to allocate virtual memory. Choose one of the following options. First is custom size. It specifies an initial size and a maximum size for the paging file. A common recommendation is to set the initial size to 1.5 times for RAM size and the maximum size for 3 times your RAM size. And the second option is system manage size. It is to allow Windows to automatically manage the paging size based on the system needs. And click size after choosing your setting and apply your change by click OK to close all dialog box and restart your computer for change to take effects. And the second question is showing element in the control panel. Describe the purpose of the control panel in Windows. So what is the control panel in Windows? The control panel is a central management interface in Windows that allows users to view, configure, and manage various system settings and hardware. It provides access to system tools, security features, network settings, user account, and device configurations. It's an essential part of the Windows for both basic and advanced system management, allowing users to control how the system operates and customize their experience. So what is the purpose of control panel? So first, system management. It's allowed for configurations of system resources, hardware and software settings. So for the part discuss how to access and manage various settings through the control panel. There are several ways to open the control panel in Windows. Using the start menu, open the start menu, type control panel into the search bar and select it from the search result. Or you can, using the run command, press Win plus R to open the run dialog box, type control and press enter. Or you can using the file explorer, open file explorer and type control panel in the address bar, then press enter. Then you can manage various settings through the control panel. For system and security, this section allows you to manage security options including Windows Update, firewall, system restore, and backup. It also provides options to check your system performance and power setting. For network and internet, used for configuring network adapters, setting up new network connection, managing Wi-Fi setting, and configuring VPNs. Also include the internet options for controlling browser and internet security setting. For hardware and sound, it will manage devices connected to the computer such as printer, speaker, and monitors. It also offers options to adjust power setting, add new hardware, and troubleshoot audio issues. For ease of access, contains accessibility options for users with specific needs like screen magnifiers, narrators, or on-screen keyboards.
So I will be doing for part C, drivers installation and system restore. Firstly, setting up in installing missing drivers. First, we need to identify the missing drivers. On your computer, open Device Manager by clicking at the Start button. By clicking right click on the Start button, this will automatically show device with missing drivers with the mark of exclamation. Next is we're going to install the missing drivers. The first method is by updating the driver. Right click the device with missing drivers. Select update driver and then choose search automatically for drivers. This will automatically download and install drivers for it. If this is not working, you can go to the next method, that is manually update, manually download and on manufacturer's website. Firstly, know your brand of computer and then go to the computer manufacturer's website. Search for your device models. There are some cases that the device is built in the motherboard. So instead, you should search for the motherboard manufacturers. If this is not working too, you can go to the next step. That is the final step. Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Firstly, open Windows Update. Click check for updates and this will automatically download the drivers for it once it's found and updated drivers.
Okay, for now, I will explain about part D, which is Windows Backup. How to exploring Windows Backup. For the question number 1, explain the Windows Backup feature and its capabilities. What is actually a Windows Backup feature? The Windows Backup feature is a built-in utility designed to help users create copies of their files, system settings, and entire system images to protect data in case of system failure, hardware issues, or accidental data loss. It is particularly useful for data recovery, as it allows users to restore individual files, folders, or the entire system backups. How And number 4, storage options. Windows Backup offers flexible storage options. This flexibility allows users to select storage solutions based on security, accessibility, and available space. And the last one, number 5, is restoration options. Windows Backup allows for simple restoration of folders and entire systems. Users can restore data in a straightforward way if happen any accidental deletion. For the question number 2, discuss the importance of backing up files, documents, and system settings. For number 1, what is the importance of backing up these files, documents, and system settings? Number 1, it can protect against cyber threats. For ransomware and malware attacks, cyber attacks can encrypt, corrupt, or destroy files. With backups, users can restore of their data and avoid paying ransoms and dealing with corrupted files. It can be also about phishing and unauthorized access. Backups helps users quickly recover data if files are compromised by unauthorized users. Number 2, it can protect against data loss. For hardware failures, hardware drives, SSD, and other storage media are susceptible to failure. If the primary storage device malfunctions, all data stored on it could become inaccessible. Backups ensure that data is not lost due to such failures. It's also about human error. Accidental deletion or overwriting of important files is common. Backups provide a safety net, enabling recovery of accidentally deleted files. And for number 4, choose what to backup, which is if you don't know what to select a specific for specific files, you can either like Windows to choose recommended specific files and folders of yourself. And after that, you can select click next. And the last one, wait for the backup to complete. The process might take some time depending on the data size. And after that, steps to backup and restore operations using window backup. Number 1, how to restore it. Number 1, go to backup and restore. Yeah, you guys have to open the control panel and navigate to backup and restore, which is Windows 7. And number 2, select restore files, which is under restore, click restore my files or restore all users files. Number 3, search or browse for files. You guys can use search to find specific files or browse for files to locate them. Number 4, select restore location. You have to choose either to restore to the original location or to a new location. And the last one, have to start a restore. Click restore to begin the process. Then that's all for now. Thank you.